Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Healer. I teach free herb medicine using a natural herbs at home. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like and comment any medicine you need. In this video, I will teach how to make infection medicine using a natural and effective herbs at home. These are the ingredients we are to use to make this effective infection medicine. The preparation methods are: we are to boil the ingredients, including 4 onions and 4 ginger and medium quantity of pepper leaf, for almost 40 minutes to 1 hour. After that, add the other ingredients and mix it properly. For commercial use, you can include sweetener and preserver and store it at a cool and dry place. How to use this medicine? You have to take 6 tablespoons by both morning and night.